Hi guys! In this video, let's do a word problem. So the problem is, this figure shows 4 people are standing around the circle. Each and every one are connected with different colors of threads. Here, 6 threads are used to connect them. If 16 people are standing around the circle, how many threads are needed? Let's find out. So let's start off with 2 people. So instead of saying people, let's say dots. It says threads, let's say lines. So 1, 2. So here, both these dots, so this dot will be connecting this dot. So here, this dot has 1 new line, but this dot is already connected with that dot. It doesn't have any other dots to connect with it. So 0 new lines. So this would equal 1 plus 0, which equals 1. Now let's go 3 dots. So 1, 2, 3. So it's going to 1 and 2. So 2 dots. So 2 new lines. And this dot, 1. So 1 new line because it's already connected with that dot. This dot is already connected with that dot and that dot. So 0 new lines. So this would equal 2 plus 1 plus 0. So it equals 4 new dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this dot equals this dot, and that dot. So 3 new lines. This dot is already connected with that dot, so 1, 2. So 2 new lines. This dot is already connected with that dot and that dot, but it isn't connected with this dot, so 1 new line. This dot is already connected with all other 3 dots, so 0 new lines. So this would equal 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. So that would equal 6. Now let's go with 5 new dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this dot would be connecting this dot, and that dot. So 4 new lines. This dot is connecting this dot, and that dot. It's just 3 new lines. This dot is already connected to that dot and that dot. So 1, 2. So 2 new lines. This dot is already connected with that dot, and that dot. So 1 new line. This dot is already connected with all the other dots. So 0 new lines. So this would be 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. So that would equal 10. So it would be 10 lines. So now, here, do you guys notice any patterns? So is 1 plus 0 equal 1, 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here, if we have 2 dots, it starts with 1, 3 dots starts with 2, 4 dots starts with 3, 5 dots starts with 4. So that means if it would have 16 people standing around a circle, it would be 15. It would start with 15. So it would be 15 plus 14 plus 13 plus 12 plus all the way to plus 1. So here, I'm going to use a method we've already done in a different video. So 15, 8 times 15. So that would equal 120. So that means if 16 people are standing around a circle, there are 120 threads needed. So 120 is the answer. Let's do math every day and watch our videos every day.